wait, no, not this one. Not this one yet. Ano yan? I forgot. Sa akin ba yan?
Oh! I
I
like
knew it.
Kulang
Oh
pa.
my gosh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tiny Jenny and this is
Yeah.
Merry Christmas! Today we are going to do a gift giving.
Gift
So-
giving. She's gonna give gifts, and I'm gonna give a gift.
Actually, I was supposed to just do this video para bigyan siya ng gifts ko. And yung reason why, kasi di ba parang pag birthdays, dun mo gagawin yung parang maraming gifts, di ba? Pero kasi, for me, this whole time that we're married,
First
1 year.
anniversary.
It's gonna be our first anniversary on January.
3.
Sabi ko, parang ang dami namin kasing accomplishments and everything this year. Christmas season is my favorite season. You know, because we celebrate Jesus. And also, I love gifts. I love receiving gifts. But at the same time, I love giving gifts too. And si Aya, for the whole year, parang birthday mo talaga. Pero this whole time talaga, binibigyan niya ako ng gift. Anytime, kung anong gusto ko, bibigyan niya talaga. Ganon. Itatry niya ibigay sa akin. So for me, it's my time this Christmas to spoil him. So, yun yung ine-expect ko talaga, hindi ka na mag-gift. Kasi nga, kakabigay mo lang ng gifts mo sa akin. As in too much. I mean, hindi ako nagre-reklamo. Hindi ako nagre-reklamo. Pero at the same time, syempre, parang gusto ko din naman i-spoil siya, ganun. Pero wag mo i-expect naman yung gifts ko na parang extravagant in anything. I mean, na-experience mo na yun dati. Na binigyan kita ng gift. Tapos, I had no idea about Pokemon during that time. Pero yun pa rin yung gusto kong i-give sa kanya. Tapos bumili ako ng kung anong binder lang. Basta siya yung nagsuspoil talaga palagi. Parang lagi na lang ako na lang receive. I wanna finally spoil you this time. So yun, kahit wala kang gift, I don't care. Kasi ngayon yung excited akong gawin sa'yo this time. This Christmas season, my favorite season. Jennifer season. Tama na. Okay.
Siguro ako muna kasi ikaw madami.
Okay. I-open ko na ba?
Yeah. Kulang pa yung sa akin. Matagal dumating dahil holidays.
Okay.
And wala akong time ma-wrap siya.
It's a wrap.
Actually, di ko alam kung ano to.
Oh my gosh!
Hindi ko na
What
alam.
do you mean?
Dapat dalawa to. Pero we'll see. Hindi ko lang nabigyan ng time i-wrap dahil nga sa work.
Yeah,
Pero,
I know.
Here you go.
What is this? Wala akong maisip na ganito kalaki or something. Or kung dalawa man. I don't know.
This is something
And
new.
it's so... What is this? And it's super heavy.
Yung address ba?
Oh
Kulang pa.
my gosh! Oh yeah! Ano kulang?
Secret.
Ano kulang?
That's for a different one.
Okay. But it's so big.
Supposed to be 3, but
So, paano siya? Para siyang puzzle. Wait,
Yeah.
nakikita natin to. Ito ba yun? Or hindi?
yeah,
And it's Japanese.
just a small cat.
Ooh. It's so kawaii. Thank you, Lovey.
Pasa siya na
Parang
i-clip.
igaganon.
I don't know if it's wood or like paper lang.
I think
it's
wood
wood.
siya. Yeah,
I think
kasi
it's wood.
super heavy niya. So, this is what he gave me. Ta-da! I got this. Thank you. Love you.
Nabi ako.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Ayoko i-open kasi I might save this for a little. Kasi nga, ang dami kong mga gamit sa kwarto. So, napupuno na yung gamit namin sa kwarto. I'm so excited to do this, Baba. Okay.
Hindi pa yan lahat ng gift ko kasi late nga dumating. So, susunod na lang yan.
Okay.
Baka sa New Year's or something.
Okay. So, it's time. Actually, dahil nga magkasama na kami, wala na siyang pasok eh. Ako din walang pasok eh. So, hindi ko na ito nasulatan yung letter ko sa kanya. Basahin mo na lang kasi ang cute naman yan. Ako na magbasa for you para...
Okay.
You're a good man with a good heart and you make me feel proud and happy to be the one who gets to share my life with you. Mary Kurisumasu. Tapos nakalagay dito, for my husband, I'm so blessed having you to love. And also, nakatabi yung gifts niya dito sa loob nito. Tapos sinahanap niya daw pala yung bag na to. Tapos meron nakalagay dito na, Baba, do not open please. Oh, do not open this please. Don't show my handwriting. Kasi ano yan, ginanong-ganong ko lang, Baba. Okay, let's do this. Gagawin mo is you're gonna grab one. You don't have to close your eyes kasi it's already
Dami.
Ano to, as in random siya. Super simple. Gusto ko lang talagang i-ano. Tapos sasabihin ko sa'yo yung meaning bakit ko binigay yung, yung gift na yun. Okay, just pick one. Whatever you like. Pag nag-no ako, wag mo na yun. Wait, what's... No, not this one. Not this one yet. Let me check. Oh, what is this? I don't know. Okay, just open that one. Yeah.
Wala pong mapabasa.
Gift number 1. I don't even know. I forgot. Basta nakakatawa yung iba.
What's this?
Oh, what's that? Oh.
Blazy can.
Ayan, isang example ng something simple.
I
I
like
knew it. So, favorite Pokemon character niya is Blaziken. So, I saw this in one event. Ilalagay mo lang siya dito. Oh, kailangan mo siyang isaksak eh. Basta magko-color yun ng red, blue, ganun. Iba-iba siya. So, that's Pokemon. That's Pokemon. Tapos,
Next.
Blaziken. Next gift.
Yes, no.
I don't know. Actually, I
Wala na.
forgot. Yeah. Let's do it there. Oh my God. Oh! Ala! Na-open mo na! Baba, na-open mo na yung isa sa... Wala na.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Bawal magsisi. Bawal magsisi. You can't, no regrets.
Excuse me. So, parang yung mga gifts ko dito, wala nang kwenta.
Oh yeah.
So, I got him that one. Yay! Next. Parang ayaw mo nang buksan yung iba.
No.
Parang ayaw mo na. Okay. Next.
Ooh. Calendar. To
Yay!
plan for...
Yeah, kasi lagi kang ano na next, ganyan. Tapos nagsischedule ka and everything. So, I want you to have something na yung talagang susulatan mo para hindi mo siya yung basta-basta makakalimutan. Nakatulad sa notes lang. Pwede mo siyang sulatan, yung calendar na yun.
Oh. Kahit ano, like, for the bit. And
Yeah.
Thank you.
Parang di ka naman masaya sa RG
Ito kaya?
557. Ano ba to? Wait, let me see first.
Wala eh.
Sige. Okay lang, nabuksan mo na yung RG, 557. Ano yan? I forgot.
I don't know.
Sa akin ba yan?
Oh! No, hindi nga. Saan ko binili to?
Dahan-dahan mo!
Baka naman kinuha mo to sa aparador ko.
Oh my gosh! Why would I?
Saan ko binili?
Oh. So, meron akong story.
Well,
I went to Figure Heroes once. Yun yung time, parang second drive ko pa lang nun from work. Sobrang takot na takot ako. Meron akong friend na parang 1 hour yung drive. Sabi ko, oh, I'm so scared. Tapos sabi ko, pero sige na, para sa kanya, okay na. Oh my gosh.
napakahirap pa naman kunin yun.
I know.
Thank you.
Next.
Damit.
Meron something funny talaga.
Oh, you got me socks too! You got me
Parang
socks!
mas masaya pa siya sa Oh, I forgot. Oo nga pala. Oo nga
Kasi
pala.
lahat ng socks ko puro butas.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kaya ginawa niya ko.
Kailangan niya ng socks na matino.
Puro butas lahat
Ano
ng
ba
socks.
yan ba?
Thank you.
Alright, next. Let's go. Very simple na yung lahat kasi na-open niya. Sobrang hindi halata
Laki.
yun. Para sa'yo, bakit?
Pwede na cereals dito. Isang mug. Tinanggal talaga yung price.
Game, next.
Baba, magkano ginastos mo dito?
I don't know, and I don't care.
The big one.
Wait, tignan ko nga muna.
Scrapbook. Ayun!
Show it. Oh, yeah.
The big bunch.
Nandito yung mga funnies. Okay.
Funny.
Yeah.
So, ito, yan yung binili mo yung one show.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yung hindi ko pinakita sa'yo.
Candy.
That's your favorite candy.
Babo, yung sugar-free though.
Huh? Oh, yeah.
Sugar-free.
Next. Oh, sugar-free yan. Para sa'yo talaga. Next.
Oh!
Para sa car mo kasi ang dugyot pala. Pang ganun lang sa yeah. Sa may
Pang-wash.
harapan. Yeah. I got one too. Machi-machi tayo. Next.
Oh.
Oh yeah, hindi mo na kailangan.
Oh, wipes. I always need wipes pag nagta-travel
As
ako.
in, kailangan nyo ng wipes palagi. Kaya, that's what I gave.
Flush facing body. So, sinasabi mo Tootsie Roll ako.
Tootsie Roll. Sila ate, sabihin nila, Tootsie Roll.
Tootsie Roll.
Open mo nga, patingin niya.
Tootsie Roll.
It's so cute.
Ganito na ba ako kalaki para sa'yo?
Gamitin mo nga. Game. You have 5 left. Sobrang simple na lahat ng yan.
Alam mo, kahit ito lang sana binigyan mo sa akin talaga.
What? Alright.
Too much!
Baba, meron din akong kwento dyan.
What?
Promise.
Saan mo naman nakuha yan?
So kami tayo, bumili kami sa bike. Kami sa Barnes Tapos kami bawal daw na ano. Tapos alam yung picture. Isang lang ako na yung next bigla siyang dumating. Alam mo ginawa ko. Tumakbo talaga ako first time kong kinabahan sa ano.
Kakabahan.
Kasi takot ako dito. Okay. That's the kwento about that one.
I guess they're all the same.
No?
Lip balm.
Yep, that's for
Yeah.
you. You need it.
Di ako nag-lip balm po, but
Yeah, kailangan niya kasi nasisira yung labi niya.
okay.
This winter.
Thank you.
Oh, but ito? Ito ba?
Ito muna.
I don't know about that one. I forgot.
Ito.
What is that? I forgot.
Looks like another one. Another OP13.
13.
I'm gonna keep.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay. This one. Kakatawa eh. Alam ko na yan.
Ay! No! Hindi. Actually, I need this
Bakit?
for work.
No. For work? No,
work.
for your personal use. Kasi lagi kang walang ganyan. Sa work mo, ginagamit mo lang.
Alam mo ba, may story ako. Nagdala ko isang toolbox dati sa work. Sobrang dami na sinanap.
Oh my God. So, parang sige na, personal use mo. Kasi parang yeah.
This is helpful. Thank you.
Yeah. Last one. Ano ba?
Another one piece.
No?
Another one piece.
No?
Another one piece.
Success!
Sagana sa one piece.
Natatawa ako kasi ito talaga yung na-open. Pero okay lang kasi may hint na siya na i-open yun. Yan na, ibibigay ko pa rin talaga sa'yo to.
Kasi she kept asking.
Yeah,
And I
tapos...
did tell her.
So, gumawa kami ng wish list, kaming dalawa. Sabi ko kasi, para hindi na kami,
Maghuhulaan.
maghuhulaan ng mga trip. Pero at the same time, tinanggal namin yung wish list namin, tapos nag-isip na lang, sige, whatever.
Yeah,
ganyan,
tinanggal niya. Nawala yung wishlist niya kaya hindi ko nabili yung wishlist
Kasi
niya.
naisip ko, sabi ko, wag na.
Kaya
Parang
yun yung
hindi ko trip
nabili.
yung mga...
Pero
Gumawa ako ng wishlist. Yung inisip ko kasi is something na, baka trip ko to, baka trip, parang gano'n. Hindi talaga siyang...
Kasi mostly
wala
na,
akong ano.
ang tanda ko is like mostly skincare.
Yeah, puro
nilagay niya.
skincare. Pero hindi ko pa nga nagamit yung mga yun. Kaya sabi ko, I don't know.
Yeah. Pero alam ko talaga, si Jen, craftsy person.
Craftsy.
Mahilig siya sa arts and craft. So, I got her that one.
So yeah, wait lang. Yan muna natin to kayo. I hope you're also having a great Christmas, I guess. Very simple lang, pero it's good. Thank you, Lord. Diba? For the whole year. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please.
Oh, please.
But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And comment.
Okay. Annyeong.
Annyeong.
These are for lonely. They only give me something.